The Ecowitt Wittboy Weather Station is a comprehensive and durable device that includes a 7-in-1 outdoor sensor and a Wi-Fi hub for complete weather data collection. Its unique haptic rainfall sensor ensures precise rainfall measurements even under extreme weather conditions, offering reliable detection and cessation interpretation. The weather station boasts a remarkable transmission range of up to 1,000 feet in open spaces, ensuring consistent data transfer even with obstacles. It is compatible with a wide array of additional sensors, allowing for extensive monitoring capabilities from soil moisture to air quality. Installation is straightforward and secure, ensuring the accuracy of its sensors and providing stable data reporting once configured with Wi-Fi. The station seamlessly uploads data to multiple online weather services, enabling users to access graphs, historical records, and receive email alerts for comprehensive weather monitoring.